This is the truth behind having a girlfriend as an high school student. So in this video, I will answer a few questions and also make suggestions how to make yourself better. So first question, should I have a GF as an high school student like 7th grade, 8th grade, or in junior high school? Well, yes and no. Why? Well, stick to this video so you'll find out. Okay, so what does having a GF early will do to my life or to your life? Having a girlfriend as a high school student is an option. But there is something that you might want to know. Having a girlfriend early is not that easy. There are many possible ways that your relationship might end up too. Like you guys broke up by misunderstanding things or your partner cheated on you. And there is also a chance that your relationship will last long but will not end up forever. Successful relationships since teenage are very rare. So, what will having a girlfriend early will do to my life? So, the good one is that it prepares you for your future GF or even your future wife. I mean, don't be like using girls just to prepare yourself for a better treatment to your next GF or even your wife. And to make it more clear, don't use 100 girls just to improve your treatment for the one for you, okay? Now the bad effect is having a GF early will pull you away from your goals. I know that you heard this phrase somewhere from your mother or your grandmother or anything. Yeah, so the phrase study first. As a matter of fact, you should listen to that. So let me explain. How can you study properly, review your test properly, memorize when your GF is there waiting for your text and care, waiting for your attention, your good morning, your have you eaten, your I miss you, your I love you, or anything like that. And sometimes when you forgot to text her back, it will end up into an argument. So what comes after argument? Misunderstanding. And comes after misunderstanding? Breakup. See? So simple. Okay. So why does this happen? Because you guys are immature like me. I'm still 14, so yeah, I'm still immature. Scientifically, our brain fully matures at the age of 25. Therefore, having a girlfriend early will get you to multitasking. So if you can handle your girlfriend and your goal easily, then go on, have a girlfriend. But I don't totally recommend that, okay? So this is some mistakes in relationship. So this mistake is just based on my experience, okay? And the way I am explaining is also based on my experience. So this is not 100% accurate, okay? And okay, so the first mistake is girlfriend over yourself. So what I mean by this is you are loving her more than your body, okay? Or more than yourself. So this is critical. So here's an example. You're in school, both of you, but have different classes. Your classes dismisses at 4 p.m. and hers 5 p.m. And you have a sister, okay? You have a sister. Your class also dismisses at 4 p.m. And instead of going home with your sister, you chose to wait for your girlfriend. Okay? So some of you might ask, this is a way to show love to your girlfriend. Well, yeah, but love your body first, okay? Love your body first. Simple as that. You're in school for 8 hours straight. This is Philippine school system, okay? So you're in school for 8 hours straight, 1 hour and 30 minutes rest only, okay? And you chose to wait for her. That's 1 hour because you guys dismissed at 4 p.m. and hers is 5. You are real tired for that. You're really tired. You should give your body a rest. And if you don't rest, you get, well, fatigue. And that is a bad thing, okay? And this is one of the biggest mistake that I made when I had a girlfriend, okay? Here's another thing that I did. Every time we go on an ice cream date, I mostly spend my money on her, not me. But fun fact, I still rely on my daily allowance that time. So when you're not financially free, don't spend more money on her, but rather invest it on yourself. Okay? This is the second one. Needing a girlfriend text 24/7. This is also one of the biggest mistake that I've made. So this is a big mistake when having a girlfriend. The simple nation is that she have a life to do. She have a goal to chase. And that's why she doesn't reply as fast as you do, who doesn't have goals to chase, but only her. Okay? So let me ask you a question. Why do you want girlfriend? Well, girls are beautiful. I want her to be my future. I feel good receiving her sweet messages. I get so romantically excited when I grab her waist, when we hold hands, when we go on an ice cream date. But answer this. Do you have a good face? Do you have a beautiful face? Does you want her to be your future? Or just playing with you? Or she just playing with you? If not, in the end of this video, I will show you how to make yourself better and raise your value more. Okay? So if you answered my question with an, well, she's the one who likes me first. I just like her back. But mostly when you're having a crush, you want only sweet messages, right? Like I love you, good morning, and you will get romantically excited. And that is so common, okay? Love is not all about beautiful faces, good morning, sweet messages, holding hands, eye contact, or anything like that. It's all about how you fight for your relationship, how you guys both care for your relationship, how you fix your misunderstandings, how you guys want to last forever. Stick that to your brain, okay? Stick that to your brain. Well, I'm kind of giving advice for teenage relationship, and that's what I'm not supposed to do. But in the end of this video, I think that you might change your mind, okay? So moving on, this is the way how to improve yourself and raise your value. Okay, number one is to make yourself better. How? So these are some ways to make yourself better. Number one, workout. Okay, so many girls like masculine people, right? A fitted jack body, a aesthetic muscular look. Okay, so why don't you work out and get that, and so that girls will chase you? Okay, see, and see, that's how easy to raise your value. I mean, it's not that easy working out and getting an aesthetic physique. Okay, but yeah, that is a goal also. So you might want to chase that goal so that girls chase you. Okay. Next thing is learn skills after skills. Okay, skills. Skills are also attractive, like playing chess, like when you're like thinking you are attractive, thinking your next move. Yeah, like that. It's attractive to girls. Being smart and like playing guitar, that is also attractive hobby, okay? And skills. Yeah. Okay, next thing is switch bad habits with good habits. It's kind of obvious like switching um yeah, I don't want to say that, but switch your bad habits with good habits. It will make you better. Okay, second thing that make yourself better, how to make yourself better is focus on your goals. So instead of focusing on your girl, focus more on your goal. Okay? So what goal you might ask? Anything like learning a skill, That's what makes you better, right? Learning a skill, that's a goal. Okay, you get a piece of paper and write down, learn how to play guitar, learn how to rap, learn how to sing, and anything skills like that that is attractive to girls. So that girls chase you, okay? Next thing is this is a long explanation, so yeah, bear with me, okay? How to actually raise your value. Okay, so a lot of I know a lot of you here are gamers, okay? So I'm gonna explain it in a game way and convert it to reality so you guys understand. Okay, so a game, then an event came. It drops a new skin, new gorgeous skin, new gun skin, or any skin, okay? And it costs $100 or $100. And what will you do? Probably not rely on your mom's credit card because that is not a great idea, okay? So what will you do? Hard work. Hard work for that money to buy that skin. And after you buy that skin, congratulations, you get the thing that you want. So let's convert it to reality. The skin that I'm talking about is the girl, okay? Now she is worth $1,000, $1,000. And what will you do? Probably not rely on your mom's credit card because you cannot buy people, okay? So what will you do? Hard work. So I'm not talking about that she is really worth $100, but her quality life is level 1,000, and yours is level 0 because you're broke and you don't have the money to buy that thing. Okay, so what will you do? Hard work and level up your quality of life. And then once you surpass her level, then look what happens. She chases you. That is not always the case, okay? But you will be more attracted and get more girls chasing you, but I would not recommend answering or crashing them back all at once, okay? So yeah, I hope you understand that. And last but not the least, the most obvious one, don't chase girls. Let girls chase you. That's what I'm saying again and again. Okay? So how? How are you gonna do this? So how? How are you gonna do this? By doing the three things that I mentioned. Okay? Make yourself better, focus on your goals, and raise your value so that girls chase you, okay? So should should I have a GF this early? Well, no. So yeah, having a girlfriend early is cool and fun, but I strongly suggest that love your family first. Prioritize them instead of having a GF. Making your parents proud. They raise you as a life changer for them, for your fam. They want you to be successful, not waste your life having a GF too early. You'll get a GF soon. Trust me, okay? Trust me. You, the one will come to you, okay? Just wait. I hope this video helps you a lot. So yeah, bye. I hope you learned something new.